Hello, good day to you. For our learning target for today, I can understand the concepts of perspective drawing, its different types, and relate its value in my life. For our work plan, moving from afar, perspective drawings, linear and atmospheric perspective, and my perspective on life. For today's lesson, observe the pictures. What do you think they have in common? What do you notice? What happens to the object as it goes far from the viewer? Why do you think object gets smaller as it goes far? This is the idea of perspective, which can also be applied in drawing. So what is perspective? Perspective is the way that one looks at something. What is perspective in drawing? Perspective drawing is a drawing method that shows how things appear to get smaller as they get further away, converging towards a single, vanishing point. This is what we call linear perspective. We also need horizon line. In showing linear perspective, the line where heaven and earth or sea seems to meet is called horizon. This is also where we place the vanishing point. The horizon usually lies in the middle ground, and should be created after the background, as a guide to locate the vanishing point. The horizon line defines our position as a viewer. It is always placed at eye level. When we look at a photograph, we assume the position of the photographer. The point on the horizon where two curved or slanting, diagonal lines seem to meet is what we call the vanishing point. We can still show perspective, even inside a structure. The horizon line will be hidden, but it will still be used to locate the vanishing point. As you look at the objects, its views follow the vanishing point. Hello, good day to you. For our learning target for today, I can understand the concepts of perspective drawing, its different types, and relate its value in my life. Did you know you may also apply perspective drawing in lettering? Use vanishing point to create dimensions on your letters. Here's how to do perspective drawing. Here are some examples of perspective drawing. Observe the picture. What if there's no vanishing point? How can we show perspective? How can we show perspective without the vanishing point? We can show this through atmospheric perspective. Atmospheric perspective, also called aerial perspective. It is the effect you get when far-away objects take on the colors of atmospheric haze. The objects from afar tends to be lighter in color and appear smaller. When you do atmospheric perspective, the objects from afar, which are closer or on the background, must be shaded or colored lighter. Then objects in the foreground or closer to the viewer must be drawn bigger, and must be colored darker or brighter. Details are much visible also. Here are some examples. Perspective is also effective in photography. What is the value of perspective? Perspective is the way that one looks at something. In life, it is the way people see life. including the way we approach life and all there is in their personal experiences. But it is also important to look at things from a point of view of other than our own. It is also one of the keys to have a successful relationship to the people around us, as it brings mindfulness of compassion and empathy to them. I hope that you have learned the lesson I prepared for you. Don't hesitate to leave a message if you have questions. See you.